Now in the next part, if I want to create a caption for this, obviously my particular video is in English and I want to create a caption for the social media videos. So what you can do is just click on this particular audio, and even if you don't, just they will detect everything from your timeline which you have inserted. Then there is a caption option, and this caption option, it says turn on auto captions. So here what you can do is just click on the turn on auto captions, and you will be able to transform your videos into the text using these particular set of languages. As you can see, there's n number of languages out there, and you can just select yours, but here is mine is English in United States. So I will click on the turn options, and it will take 2 minutes depending on the length of your video. It will start creating the captions for you. So let's just wait and be right back after it converted successfully. Okay, so we have the transcript ready. As you can see, this is the timeline with the transcript, and this is actually the very best way to create captions for your YouTube channel, or Instagram Reels or TikTok. And there is download captions. You can download that SRT and you can include that in your YouTube videos. And obviously if you don't want to add that to your YouTube videos, you can easily integrate with the help of this particular editor. And as you can see, if I'm just browsing right here, and there's a text appearing whenever I'm speaking it, and you can easily edit that or browse the timeline based on the captions. So that's the first pro tip I want to give you. For example, so there will be a number of text right here, right? And here I'm just browsing it on the basis of my captions or my transcript, and there is something which I don't want to include. Then you can easily select this and see where the timeline is. As you can see, there's the timeline, and you can easily cut that out. Okay, so as you can see, just and the way the just have started, I can just delete from here and to the next part where I added the keep on. As you can see, here is the keep on, which is around 27 seconds, and just is around 22. So there is a 5-second difference that I don't want to include mine to my videos. So you can easily delete that. How? Just select S or create an S. Just select these particular file or on audio which you don't want to include that. Click S, so it has been cut, and also click S, and there's a click S. So here it is from where we want to delete that, and the ending part is the on. And here if you want to select all the clips in the one go, what you can do is click on Shift and S, click here and select all the clips and do the S. Obviously the audio has been selected, we will select that also. So that's how you can easily delete this. As you can see, to delete that you can just click on delete, and there is a space. So that's the one thing which I want to tell you, to replace this with the clip. And if you use Premiere, or there is a clipping tool, and here to decrease these gaps you can easily check this and delete, check this, delete and delete, and it will start clipping that to the previous clip which we have already cut. So that's how you can use caption to your particular videos. Obviously there is a styling part. So now to add a styling to your captions, yes, you can add that. To add that, you can just select captions of it, like here, which we have already enabled, and just select that and start using fonts. Fonts can be anything. This is based on your preferences or taste. So I will just use the Poppins, which is actually looks perfect out there, but you have other preferences, you can just go to the font. And if you don't have a font here which you want to use, you can upload custom fonts. And to upload custom fonts, click on the upload custom fonts. Here add a font, a TFF file or OTT files, I think. So you can easily upload that, and after you upload that, just click here again, and here you will be able to edit the text. So here if you want to line to the left or to the right or to the this, you can easily do that. And there is a color, and you can transparent background color of this particular captions using this if you don't want to use it. And there is a primary color which you can add, and if I want to add the primary color of my own brand colors, you can easily do that with the help of brand kit colors. So if I want to add this, or even if I want to add that, so there is a transform sections also. So if you want to just decrease a little bit the size of it, you can easily do that, or you can just drag and drop anywhere you want, or you can use the positions of it. Like here I want to add that into the drop into the middle of video here. So I think that sounds sweet. That's how you can use caption to create a text or transcript of your videos, and you can also upload that to YouTube with the help of the SRT file which you have downloaded.